So 1 and 2, okay? You happy?
Yes. Let's go home.
We have this matka chicken korma. So let's open this. Living in a world जहाँ पे बच्चे शॉपिंग कराते हैं ना कि हम बच्चों को शॉपिंग कराते हैं. So you know, it's a very tough to rise today's generation.
Buy too much, please.
You wanna buy too much?
Yes.
You have already got a lot, and mommy needs to see what you have actually got before the final decision. Oh my god, what is happening?
Mommy, take this. Too big.
Yeah, it's too big. See, it's too heavy to carry. How mommy will carry at home? So we should not take this one. When daddy comes, then only we can buy such heavy things, okay? Because mommy and we cannot carry.
See? I want this.
But you're buying two,
This.
the same things you're buying two. Why? You can get one, and one you can keep it back. Thank you so much. Okay, and what about this one? Can we check the other stuff? See, this one seems like it's broken. So, you know, it's already not good. So just keep this back. It's already broken, right? Good boy.
Mommy.
What else we have? What is this?
Mommy.
Oh my god, what is this?
Can you
for?
open our home?
This is like a mini
We need
dinosaur,
to
you know?
And then outside dark. We need to go home.
He wants me to take him home so that at least he he wants to buy all of this, and that's why he's keep on saying, take me home, take him home. So I should not, you know, take his toys all back. Okay, we will. Okay, let's do some negotiation here. Okay, what we're gonna do? We're gonna buy two things. So you have to choose in all this two things.
Mommy.
Please choose two. You have got a lot. We have to pay also, right? Mommy needs to pay something, right?
Okay.
Okay, so let's choose one of two of these. Okay, what is this for? Oh, this is puzzles. This is not even for you.
Mommy.
Yeah, puzzles are not good. You're not even making it. Every time all the puzzles are, you know.
Mommy.
Okay, leave the puzzles.
Can I do this a puzzle in the home?
Okay, give some space first, please.
Okay.
Okay, listen. We're gonna buy this one screen and this, okay? This one also leave it. It's very for small babies. It's not for you. You are now 4+, right? Okay, two things, okay? So 1 and 2, okay? You happy?
Yes. Let's go home.
Okay then, let's pay. Finally, he agrees. What I'm saying. और चलते हैं फौरन से पे करने, अदरवाइज ऐसा ना हो कुछ और ही एड ऑन होता जाए. You happy? You got the toys? What did you get? Oh, you got the kangaroo toy. अच्छा, हमने दो चीज़ों पे डिसाइड किया था. Like we negotiate on it and he agrees. But जो एक चीज़ थी उसमें कुछ डैमेज आ गया. Like the cells were not working and it wasn't screaming क्योंकि वो कुछ screaming creature था वो. I had no idea what was it, but fair. Thankfully he figured out. उसी वक्त इसने बोला no mommy I don't want this, I just want one. तो शुक्र है, नेक नियत होती है ना तो अल्लाह ताला खुद ही बचा लेता है मेरे ख्याल से. तो yeah, he didn't let me. Okay, we will go home now. Okay, so finally इतना खर्चा नहीं हुआ आज, बच गए हम. Okay, what happened, beta?
This monster died.
Okay, no, there is no monster. I told you, whenever you're scared from dark, what you will say? Oh, now he's happy. He saw something else. Okay, be careful. There are kids already riding, right? You have to be very careful, my son. Come. Did you remember? You already sat on it with Daddy. Do you remember? Do you remember, Mama Zitisa? I will show you the video. I have a video. You and Maha sit with Daddy, and you had a ride. But now Daddy is not here, and how Mommy will sit with you, right? Because Mommy doesn't know how to ride. So we will come again.
Mommy, let's go to beach.
Oh, you wanna go to beach?
Yes, I want to swim. Beach.
He loves to swim, he's saying. Okay, let's go. And we are actually going to the beach. Not really inside the beach, but yes, the view which I'm going to show you all, then yes, that's the beach. He wants to go to the beach. I mean, he's really serious about it. Mama said it's night time, okay? We can just enjoy the view, all right? But to go to the beach, it's not the right time because it's dark, right?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, mommy.
Okay, you wanna go home? Okay, then let's go home. I wanna show you all this. Wait a moment. अच्छा वहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है. I had no idea what is it, but let me see क्या है वो. Maybe it's like a restaurant or something, or I don't know. Because this is the first time I'm coming at this hour. Like not the first time, but of course with my toddler, this is the first time. और मुझे खुद भी नहीं मालूम कि वो क्या चीज़ हो रही है. But yeah, please काफी ही भीड़ है. Is I think by the mark island is back. So. What is it? I don't know. My son is convincing me to be here. So देखते हैं क्या चीज़ है फिर. I think they have made some kind of games or something. Lines लगी हुई हैं. ज़्यादा शोर हो रहा है and I don't think so that it's good decision to go there. और बहुत सारी lines थी वहाँ पे, so I think it's for free. हो सकता है कुछ gifts हो or something like that because वहाँ पे कुछ I mean like I don't know what is it, but कुछ खाने के भी कुछ trucks लगे हुए थे which is free of cost. जब भी इतनी लंबी lines थी कि I cannot tell you. You are planning to come to Dubai, then this is the right time because the weather is very good. और crowd भी आपको हर जगह मिलेगा. Mostly उन जगहों पे जो already tourist spots हैं like JBR Walk, The Walk, Marina Walk. Then you know Blue Waters. That is the wheel which I'm showing you. That is actually at Blue Waters. Or so and you will find a lot of restaurants. And I think I have covered in one of my vlog. What do you want? You can get corns. What do you say? But fruits you already have at home. Can we have some corns or something new? अच्छा समटाइम बच्चों को मनाना कितना आसान होता है. And actually मैं बदला देती, but the thing is that's just the fruits. They are having it at home. And you know, yes, once you're here, you will know that the prices are different as compared to other places in Dubai because JBR, The Walk, there's. Okay, now it comes to ice cream, and that's a Turkish ice cream. Oh, now he's because I said no, and हाँ फिर ऐसा हो जाता है कि then they show their tantrums, which is obvious. हम दिखाते हैं. So now he actually convinced me to have brownie with cotton candy ice cream और मैं मना नहीं कर सकी. And I was just thinking कि वाकई जब हम भी अल्लाह ताला से कितना कुछ मांगते हैं तो at last हमें मिल ही जाता है. तो कहते हैं ना 17 माह से ज़्यादा अल्लाह मोहब्बत करता है. तो वाकई माँ का दिल भी ऐसी होता है. लाइक ही सो मेनी टाइम्स आई हैव सेड नो नो नो, बट एट लास्ट मैंने दिला ही दिया. वाओ.
Give me some drinks. I want drinks.
No, you said ice cream, right?
See?
You like it?
Yes.
No, that's it. Thank you. You cannot have drinks. You're already, you know, drinks are not good for you. Soda, you know, there's so much sugar.
That's the games. Hey, Mommy, going games?
But mommy doesn't know how to play games. Only daddy knows. If mommy will play, she will not win. And then you will not get a toy. And then you will be sad. And I don't want to see my boy sad, right? Compensate. कि दोनों में लड़ाई ना हो, भाई बहनों में, और इंसाफ हो जाए. तो yes, I have got something for the girl and it's like a hairband and something, कोई unicorn किस्म का कोई toy है. So let's see if she likes it. And इन जनाब ने भी एक और चीज़ ले ही ली. मतलब 2 गिफ्ट्स तो हो ही गए इनके आज के.
रुमाली रोटी कर दें हमें 4 और साथ में मैंगो लस्सी कर देंगे. 2 कर दो।
एक चिकन कोरमा, काली मिर्च कबाब, 4 रुमाल रोटी और 2 स्वीट लस्सी, मैंगो सर।
मैंगो लस्सी बस
Okay.
1 मिनट छोड़ दें बस।
So they serve with, you know, this green raita, and then this is the pickle with lemon and onion. So this is the first starter they give, like they place. Now we are waiting for the food. We have this matka chicken korma. So let's open this. And we're gonna have this with Romani roti. And trust me, these Kali Mirch kebabs are the best of Gazebo, and if you have not tried, then you must. ठीक है, bill कितना बनता है? Like, okay, you have to guess first. I think, okay, sorry, I will guess first. So I think, yeah, maybe 200, 2 plus.
That's good. Worth it.
But okay, so just for like, if you talk about like budget or, you know, पैसों के बारे में, then yeah, it's very costly, but quality of food.